Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baba Anan and today I am your midwife. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and let's interact. So today we are going to be talking about preconception care. What is preconception care? Preconception care is um modifying your biology, taking care of yourself in order to enhance pregnancy, or things you do in early pregnancy to get a better outcome. Now, there are some categories under which preconception care has been divided to, but today we are only going to be talking about the behavioral things we actually do, behaviors that can enhance pregnancy, things we should stop doing, things we should let go, and things we should pick up. Yes. So, behaviors that we are supposed to let go when we are pregnant is alcohol misuse. So, if you want to get pregnant, the first thing you have to let go is alcohol misuse. You have to stop drinking for some time before pregnancy. It's not like you're going to be drinking during pregnancy, but you have to stop earlier, not when you find out you're pregnant. You have to stop before you get pregnant. Okay. So, let's say give yourself a 6 month phase if you're actually planning pregnancy. Give yourself a 6 month phase if you're an alcohol drinker. Give yourself a 6 month phase to cleanse your system, to help your organs rejuvenate, your liver, your kidneys, your everything in your system to rejuvenate, to make it kind of stronger. Yes, stronger for the new organism that you're introducing into your system. The second one is smoking. Same goes for smoking. The same way you have to let go of alcohol, you also have to let go of smoking. That's how on your mind. You don't take, you don't smoke. So if you're a smoker, please you have to stop smoking before pregnancy, not when you find out you are pregnant. The next one, drug abuse. If you talk about drug abuse, it's not only illegal drugs. We're also talking about over-the-counter medications. Like, you feel you have a migraine, you feel you have a headache, you just walk into the drugstore or chemist or any shop that they sell drugs, not a pharmacy, because pharmacies need prescription. You just walk into any of them and then you say, "Oh, I'm buying para 50 pesos," and the para 50 pesos, you drink it anyhow you like. That's not what you do. You have to stop that. When you want to get pregnant, any little thing you feel, you go to your physician or your midwife or gynecologist or doctor or any health personnel. You just don't walk to a pharmacy or a drugstore and buy drugs. Now, the next one we are going to talk about is psychosocial concerns. Now, if you're somebody who is an introvert, I'm not saying you should become extrovert, but then you try to relate more to people. You try to open up more so that when something is going on with you, somebody can know and help you. The next one we're going to mention is what's the next one? Maybe if you okay. History of miscarriages or prior pregnancy loss. So if you are somebody who has recurrent miscarriages, you would want to consider your health team, your medical team before getting pregnant again. Okay. There are systems put in place. Maybe your cervix is incompetent. So before you get pregnant, you let your medical team aware, you make them aware of it so that they can help you. There are people who get pregnant and spend all 40 weeks in the hospital. There are people who get pregnant and get their cervix tied till the baby is cooked, like ready. There are people who get pregnant and go through other things. So if you are someone who has had more than 3 miscarriages, your next pregnancy should be planned, and you should make your health team or medical team aware before you get pregnant. So this is what goes under behavioral, things you shouldn't do and things you should consider. But then this is something very important. Folic acid. People start taking folic acid when they get pregnant. No, folic acid should be taken right from your teens. When you're hitting 13, as soon as you get to 13-year-old, please, parents, when your daughter is 13 years old, start giving them folic acid, 1 tablet daily. You should also take your vitamins, your vitamin C, vitamin B12. In fact, there's a simpler way. Buy multivite. It contains everything. You start taking it way before you think of getting pregnant, so that you are in a healthier condition, so that your immune system is stronger. See, when you get pregnant, your body recognizes the pregnancy, the zygote that has been formed, as a foreign body. So it's your immune system. That will protect you against this foreign body, in quotes. So it realizes that it is a part of you. Okay. Let's take better care of ourselves. And good luck to all those planning to get pregnant. Once again, my name is Baba Anand. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and let's interact. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment sections and we'll follow up. We'll definitely follow up with the other categories. We have the chronic diseases, we have vaccinations, we have genetics, we have STIs. Please. So we are going to follow up. Leave your questions and they'll be answered in the next session. Thank you very much. Bye.
But then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.